All right, go to settings on your phone, click on settings, then go and select system. You can see, click on languages and inputs. Then click on virtual keyboard. You will see an option for Gboard. Since you said you downloaded it, click Gboard. Then go to languages. If you've not yet added a Nigerian language, go to add keyboard. You can see, then you choose a Nigerian language. See Igbo, Yoruba, English of Nigeria, and all of that. So you choose whichever one you want, and you press done. That's, you've added a Nigerian language. Yeah, add a Nigerian language. I'm gonna add pidgin. Good. So yes, if you've done that, you are good to go. By now it should be showing in your keyboard. You can also choose any setting you want from all of this. You can set it the way you want it. Now let's go and check the keyboard now. Let's go to messages. Google this. Okay, so I've gone to messages. Let's open a new message. All right, see my keyboard here. This is the keyboard. If I go to symbols, you will see that there will be the Naira sign, but notice the space bar. See the different languages that are there. If you press and hold, it will bring the list. So right now I clicked Igbo. That's why Nigerian Naira sign is showing. But if I click English for US, that sign will not again. The Naira sign is not there again. So you can choose any Nigerian, just press and hold, click a Nigerian language, let's say English Nigeria. So if you go to the symbols, it should be showing the Naira sign again. Yeah, you can see that. So that's just the simple way it works.